Hello everyone, welcome to Chongbyan's kitchen. Today, I will teach you a little trick to fry loofah and ensure that the color stays vibrant. Prepare 2 fresh loofahs. Cut off the head and tail, then peel off the skin. After peeling, use a rolling cut method to slice the loofah. Cutting it this way makes it easier to absorb flavor when fried. After cutting, place it in a bowl. Pour in a spoonful of salt, then enough water to cover the loofah. Mix evenly and soak it in salt water for 10 minutes. This step prevents the loofah from turning black when cooked. After soaking, set it aside for later use. Next, prepare an empty bowl and crack in 4 eggs. Beat the eggs thoroughly with chopsticks until the egg whites and yolks are fully combined into a smooth liquid. Stir well and set aside. Now, prepare a red pepper. Cut it into strips, then into O-shaped pieces using a slanted cut. Place it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a few cloves of peeled garlic and slice them thinly, then chop into minced garlic. Also, prepare a few green onions and chop them into small pieces. Place the green onion and garlic in a bowl for later use. In another bowl, pour in a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of chicken essence, a spoonful of light soy sauce, and a spoonful of cornstarch. Add half a bowl of water and stir everything together with a spoon until the sauce is fully blended. Set it aside. Now that the loofah is soaked, rinse it again. After rinsing, drain it well in a colander and set aside. Next, heat a wok and pour in a little cooking oil. Once hot, pour in the egg liquid. Fry until the bottom is set, then gently stir with a spatula to heat it evenly. Once one side is cooked, flip the eggs and fry the other side. Then cut the eggs into small pieces. If you prefer a firmer texture, you can fry them a bit longer. Once cooked, remove and set them aside on a plate. In another wok, pour in the right amount of cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add the green onion and garlic. Stir-fry over high heat until fragrant, then add the loofah. Stir-fry quickly over high heat. This reduces the water content and retains the nutrition. Many people stir-fry loofah with too much water, which results in a watery, less nutritious dish. In the future, you can use this method. Stir-frying loofah without releasing too much water results in the best flavor. Stir-fry the loofah until it softens, then add the red pepper. Continue stir-frying evenly until the pepper softens as well. Add the previously fried eggs, then pour in the prepared sauce. Continue stir-frying on high heat until the sauce thickens and evenly coats the ingredients. Dear friends, I've already shared more than 200 home cooking tutorials. I haven't gotten your like and subscribe yet. Thank you for your support and for watching today's video. After stir-frying, turn off the heat and serve. A simple and delicious loofah fried egg is ready. The loofah remains bright, not dark, doesn't release excess water, and tastes absolutely delicious. Okay, if you like it, give it a try. See you next time.